Day 1 in the plant, and the problem is obvious. The signal needs to go farther than the wires can reasonably reach. Long cable runs cost money, take time, and sometimes are just plain impractical. That is where wireless starts earning its keep. Wireless instrumentation lets field devices send process data without running new cable through the whole facility. The signal is invisible, but the engineering is not. Radio communication still depends on power, path, antenna performance, and clean signal travel. Before you trust the link, do the math. Transmit power plus antenna gain minus path loss tells you whether that signal has a real chance of making it. And line of sight is not enough. You also need to protect the Fresnel zone, the open space around the signal path, or obstacles can weaken the link. If the direct path is blocked, change the route, move the antenna, or reposition the device. Wireless is flexible, but it is not magic. The field devices also need a gateway or coordinator, something smart enough to collect the data and pass it into the control system. No signal cable often means battery power, so now battery life matters. Good wireless design is not just communication, it is power management too. Then comes setup. Join the network, verify communication, and lock it down. If the security is sloppy, the whole system is asking for trouble. When it is designed right, wireless instrumentation gets the data where it needs to go, and the plant gets visibility without miles of new cable.